kí yín ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Pavilion TV gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Bákan náà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́. A kí yín ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa subscribe sí orí ìkànnì yìí kẹ́ ẹ lè máa ní àǹfààní sí àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fọ́nrán yìí, à ń padà bọ̀.
And I think you need to hear me because I'm also expressing, people are decentralized, and this is not right. This is Nigeria, where everybody has a right that their votes will count. And I'm calling your attention to it. And for record purposes, I was about to read those polling units affected. So I am not accepting this, and I'm making it clear to the whole world to know that we are not, Labour Party is not accepting it on the mainland. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are we expecting anybody some no?
Cries the violence meted out on Labour Party supporters, faulting the claims by INEC that the Commission server was down and calling on the electoral body to cancel the presidential election results.
We have sufficient documentary evidence that confirm that manipulations of the presidential elections results have occurred in Lagos, Rivers, Imo, parts of Edo State, Delta State, and some northern states. These manipulations were carried out under the watchful eyes and connivance of police officers at the various election units and INEC offices. The decision of INEC to go ahead to announce these doctored results based on manufactured voting has defeated the efforts made by Nigerians to see that the Electoral Act was amended to allow for electronic transmission of results. That the Labour Party and our presidential candidate, His Excellency Peter Obi, only accept results which reflect the actual voting result obtained at the polling unit across.
At the moment.
Thank you, Chamberlain. Good evening, Nigerians. We're quite worried on this recent trend. We've deployed over 20,000 of drivers in the 704 local government. Collation center in the 700 of local government. Some of these collation centers, their address were changed without notice. And in some cases, when we even get information on where they're collecting these results, we've denied some of my people on the ground access in some of the states. Even as I speak to you now, there's a local government in Imo State where elections are not holding. You know, the chairman of INEC yesterday said, oh, election will continue today. But that's just one example in Imo State. Also, we've seen cases where election did not happen, results have been announced. So then again, we wonder, because these trends are worrisome. Now, only 40,000 results have been published on the INEC result platform. But INEC created 50,000 new voting centers. And we know that as at 2:30 yesterday, most of these 50,000 have completed their elections. And we don't know why is the results not uploaded. In the case of Ekiti and Oshu, before midnight, the results were already uploaded. As much as we
there are no commercial flights to bring them, and where they are separated by a considerable distance from Abuja. So on this note, and as I said in the afternoon, there will be interludes. We hereby adjourn and reconvene at 11 in the morning tomorrow. Thank you very much.
We are seeing in Lagos State is not normal. And for people to have kept quiet and keep pretending like they don't see, I had a viable threat to my life, dropped petitions for the police, dropped for the DSS. Nothing ever happened. Names were mentioned. That is the kind of madness that has been normalized in Lagos State. That is why you see a ballet confidently threatening people. You see the secretary to a local government confidently threatening people because they know nothing will happen. I am saying that anyone who is looking to the police in Lagos State, believing that their lives might be protected by the police in Lagos State, needs to think again. Frankly speaking, I am not one of those who believe that the international community is in any way, shape, or form able to help us in our situation. The truth is that the West do not care about us. EndSARS happened in broad daylight. The West knew exactly what happened. After all the debates in the British Parliament, what happened? Nothing. The Americans knew exactly what happened at Lekki Toll Gate. They know. But
I appeal to all political parties and media organizations to draw their figures only from the official results released by the Commission as the only body constitutionally responsible for releasing official election figures.
It's a shame for any governor. Listen, you call yourself a governor, you are a liability, a waste to your generation, a shame to your generation. To organize people and command them to vote a particular party, a shame to you. And I can announce to you, if you ever did that, governor of any so-called your nonsense, whatever you are, let me tell you, you have wasted your life, you have wasted your honor, you have wasted your dignity. Who told you that you own the people? Who told you that you own the will of the people? Who told you that you own the state? You that will soon become history. That people will see you on the road and they can't greet you. They're messing up. You people don't know that your time is so short. The governor of your state 8 years ago, where is he now? 16 years ago, where is he now? What is he achieving now? Who is respecting them on the road now? They behave.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. A lérò pé ẹ̀yin náà ń bá wa lọ lórí àwọn ìròyìn bó ṣe ń lọ yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti fi èrò tiyín ránṣẹ́ lórí comment section. Ẹ ṣé tẹ̀ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí Pavilion TV fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ̀ ń wò wá.